Have you ever lost your phone or accidentally deleted precious family photos? If you own an iPhone but use a Windows computer, you might think backing up your photos is difficult. The good news? It's actually very easy. In today's video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to back up your iPhone photos to your Windows PC. Whether you want a free offline backup or automatic cloud syncing, I'll explain everything step by step. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's talk about why backing up your photos is so important. Many people think their pictures are safe because they're stored on their iPhone. Unfortunately, that's not always true. Your photos can disappear because of a lost or stolen phone, hardware failure, water damage, accidental deletion, software problems, factory reset. For many people, photos are memories that can't be replaced. That's why having a second copy on your computer is one of the smartest things you can do. Now let's look at the easiest methods. This is the method I recommend for almost everyone. Why? Because it's completely free, it doesn't require the internet, and it copies your photos in full quality. Connect your iPhone to your Windows computer using a Lightning or USB-C cable. If this is your first time connecting the phone, unlock your iPhone. You'll probably see a message asking, "Trust this computer." Tap Trust, then enter your passcode. Without this step, Windows won't be able to access your photos. Now go to your Windows computer, open File Explorer, click this PC. You should see Apple iPhone listed as one of your devices. Double-click it, open Internal Storage, then open DCIM. Inside SIM you'll see folders with names like 100 Apple, 101 Apple, 102 Apple. These folders contain your photos and videos. Now simply select the photos you want. You can press Ctrl-A to select everything, then drag and drop them into Pictures, Desktop, Documents, or even an external hard drive. That's it. Your photos are now safely stored on your computer, completely free, original image quality, very fast, no internet required. You'll need to repeat the process whenever you want to back up new photos. If you don't like dragging folders around, Windows has an easier option. Here's how. Connect your iPhone, unlock it, tap Trust if asked. Now open the Photos app in Windows. At the top, click Import. Then choose from a connected device. Windows will automatically scan your iPhone. After a few seconds you'll see all your photos. Choose the ones you want, or simply select Import All. Click Import. Windows automatically organizes everything by date, making it much easier to find your pictures later. It's cleaner, it's organized, and it requires almost no technical knowledge. Easy for beginners. Automatically sorts photos. Fast importing. Sometimes Windows takes a little longer to detect the iPhone. Now let's talk about the easiest long-term solution. If you already use iCloud Photos, you don't even need to connect your iPhone every time. Everything happens automatically. Here's how. Download iCloud for Windows. Install it. Sign in using your Apple ID. Enable Photos. Within a few minutes, your photos will begin downloading to your computer. Any new photo you take on your iPhone will automatically sync. Likewise, changes made on your PC will sync back to your Apple devices. Automatic syncing. No cables. Access photos from multiple devices. Great for people with iPhone, iPad, and Mac. You'll need enough iCloud storage. Apple only provides a limited amount of free storage, so many users eventually upgrade to a paid storage plan. So which option is best? If you only want a safe backup every few weeks, use the USB cable method. It's free, it's reliable, and it's incredibly simple. If you prefer something a little more organized, use the Windows Photos app. If you want everything to stay synchronized automatically, choose iCloud Photos. There isn't a single best choice. The best option depends on how you use your iPhone. Here are a few extra tips to help keep your photos safe. Back up at least once a month. Don't wait until something happens. Keep a second copy on an external hard drive. This protects you if your computer ever fails. If your iPhone isn't showing up in Windows, unlock the phone, tap Trust, try another USB cable, use a different USB port, restart both devices. Most connection problems can be solved with these simple steps. Backing up your iPhone photos to a Windows computer is much easier than most people think. Today we covered 3 simple methods. Copy photos with File Explorer. Import them using the Windows Photos app. Automatically sync everything with iCloud Photos. Personally, I recommend the USB cable method for most beginners, because it's free, simple, and keeps your photos in their original quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more easy computer and technology guides. I upload beginner-friendly videos every week, to help make technology simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.